इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में इतने सारे सिग्निफिकेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहे हैं, तो लेट्स डेव इनटू द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट वंस। पहला, फिनटेक आ गया है इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में। I mean, fintech has disrupted the traditional investment banking practices by introducing innovative solutions for trading, wealth management, and capital raising. Automated trading algorithms and blockchain technologies have streamlined the processes, reduced the cost, and improved the efficiency in the investment banking operations. But the fintech startups, and they are giving some serious competition to the traditional investment banks, offering alternative financing options, peer-to-peer lending platforms, and digital investment services. दूसरा, ग्रीन फाइनेंस। I mean, जैसे जैसे क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड एनवायरमेंटल सस्टेनेबिलिटी का प्रोमिनेंस हो रहा है, green finance has gained prominence in the investment banking sector. Investment banks are incorporating environmental, social, and governance criteria into their investment decisions and offering green bonds, green loans, and sustainability-linked financial products. तीसरा, sustainable investing. I mean, impact investing also considering environmental, social, and governance factors alongside financial return. So investment banks होते हैं, they are expanding their offerings to include sustainable investment products such as ESG focused funds, impact funds, and thematic investment strategies targeting renewable energy, clean technology, and social welfare. So institutional investors, including pension funds and sovereign wealth funds, are also increasingly incorporating sustainability considerations into their investment mandates, influencing इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग बैंक्स। और कितने ही सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक्स हमें रीच आउट करते हैं फॉर हैविंग दीज रिक्वायर्ड टैलेंट एंड मैन पावर इन दिस डोमेन। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड फॉर क्वालिटी पीपल इन दिस स्पेसिफिक सेगमेंट व्हिच इज फास्ट इमर्जिंग as the next big thing in investment banking.